Good morning, students. Today we will read chapter 8, Reach for the Top, from the book Beehive. The only woman in the world who has scaled Mount Everest twice was born in a society where the birth of a son was regarded as a blessing and a daughter, though not considered a curse, was not generally welcome. In this chapter, there was a girl, Santosh Yadav, and Santosh Yadav was the only woman in the world who has climbed Mount Everest in 2 times. He was born in a society where the birth of a son was regarded as a blessing. Where the son was born, it was regarded as a blessing, and when a daughter was birthed, though not considered a curse, it was not a curse, but the daughter was not generally welcome in the society. When her mother was expecting Santosh, a traveling holy man means a sant gave blast to Santosh's mother that when she wanted a son, but to everyone was surprised to hear when the child's grandmother said that they did not want a son. The holy man was also surprised to hear this, because in their society the daughter was not welcome and everybody wanted to son. So the holy man was surprised to hear this, but she said, Santosh Yadav's grandmother said that Santosh had already 5 brothers, and so they wanted a daughter. Santosh was born in a sixth child, a family with 5 sons. He had 5 brothers already. She was born in a small village of Joniawas of Rewari district in Haryana. The girl was given the name Santosh, which means contentment. Contentment means satisfaction, and the Santosh is the Hindi meaning of contentment. It means satisfaction. But Santosh was not always content. He was not satisfied, because the place where she born in a traditional way of life, so he was not satisfied with the way of life. She began living life in her own terms from the start. Where other girls wore traditional Indian dresses, Santosh preferred shorts. Looking back, she says, now from the very beginning, I was quite determined that if I choose a correct and rational path, the others around me had to change, not me. Santosh thought the opposite of the other girls of her village, and he said that if she was right and if she chose the correct path, she was determined that the people around herself had to change, not her. Santosh's parents was affluent landowners. Affluent means wealthy. Wealthy landowners, so they could afford to send their children to the best school, even to the country's capital, New Delhi, which was quite close by to their village. But they accepted the old tradition of the family, and they did not send to Santosh in best school. Santosh had to do the local college school according to the customs of the family. So she decided to fight the system in her own quiet way when the right moment arrived. And the right moment arrived when she was 16 years old. She decided that she had to change. The girls in her village used to get married in 16 years, but so the Santosh was also under pressure from her parents. to do the marriage. Okay students, now the remaining part of this chapter would be taught tomorrow. Thank you.